Here today to share with you my September Phenology wheel project. It is manzanita bushes, and there are manzanita bushes all over around where I live, especially if you go out hiking in the hills and stuff. And I went on a hike and there were several beautiful manzanita bushes, and I tried to capture the reddish brown color of the wood in here. It's really pretty, the twisty wood of the manzanita. And then I happened to find some that had berries on it too, so I included that. And then the nice smooth leaves, I tried to capture the smoothness of those with a satin stitch. So pretty easy again for this month. Just some stem stitches for the branches. I did 6 strands for the thicker parts and then just 3 strands for the thinner ones. The leaves are actually not a satin stitch, they're a fishbone stitch until I got to the edges here, because the way that they were shaped, then I filled in the rest with a satin stitch. So that's a combination of both. And then the berries are just a simple satin stitch. So there you go. The free pattern will be up on my website, cutesicrafts.com. I'll leave a link, of course, in the description below. I can't believe we've only got 3 months left, but the project is looking really pretty so far. I'm really pleased with how it's turning out. Make sure to go to Instagram and look for hashtag cutesicrafts. SAL, that stands for Cutesy Crafts Stitch Along. You can look in there and see what other people are embroidering on their Phenology wheels, and you can also go on there and post pictures of your own, because I love to see what you are working on. Hope you guys are having a great start to your fall and enjoying working on this project with me.